Guru Krupa Crafts Private Limited, the name which has become synonymous to excellence in absorbent craft paper manufacturing today. It began its journey in mid-2010 when it was planned to set up a paper manufacturing unit. The visionary directors Vishwanath Agrawal, Babu Bhai Patel, Naresh Bhai Patel, Kishore Sevkani embarked on an endeavor by commencing the production in October 2011. The company is located in Arvali district on western part of India. In a very short span of time, the young company, committed to quality, became a grand success case study. The company is engaged in manufacturing of absorbent craft paper. It produces super deluxe paper and regular grade paper round the month. It is managed by competent directors and has got finest of the infrastructure in place. Unlike many other units which also manufacture BF Craft along with absorbent craft paper, Guru Krupa is one of the rare companies in the country which does manufacture absorbent craft paper round the year so as to maintain quality and invariability in supply. Super Deluxe is made by recycling premium quality imported waste paper and pulp imported from various countries, and regular grade is made by recycling fine quality Indian and imported waste paper.
हम लोग ने गुरु कृपा का मैनेजमेंट के साथ बैठ के एक डिसीजन लिया था कि अपने को और अच्छी क्वालिटी का माल बनाने का है, तो विदिन 3 मंथ्स हमको एक सुपीरियर क्वालिटी बना के माल दिया। जो सुपर डिलक्स क्वालिटी हमने सेल चालू किया वो धीरे धीरे इंक्रीज हुआ विद द सपोर्ट ऑफ द मिल। आज मार्केट में काफ़ी लोग ने हमारा ये सुपर डिलक्स यूज़ करना चालू किया है। ए ग्रेड को रिप्लेस करके कई फैक्ट्रियाँ सुपर डिलक्स का गोल्ड क्वालिटी का गुरु का माल यूज़ कर रही है।
The manufacturing unit is equipped with the best machineries like Parason pulp mill equipments, Thermex boiler, Forbes Marshall condensate recovery system, SPM dryers and MG being the best in the country. Laboratory at the factory is having the finest equipments required to maintain premium quality. Also, the groundwater available at the site is having less than 200 TDS, which is a vital factor for absorbent craft paper manufacturing unit to get better quality paper. Pulp mill installed at the unit is equipped with triple screening system, which helps to get clean and spec-free paper. Among others, one of the important equipment installed at the manufacturing unit is Dandy Roll. It helps in getting better pulp formation of the paper.
We've been working with Guru Krupa since a short time, but within this short span, Guru Krupa has turned out to be a good paper manufacturer, always willing to work towards the qualities and properties we need, which we have not seen in the past with other paper manufacturers. So I think this quality for them and their good day-to-day interaction with the suppliers is what is giving them an edge over other paper mills, and we would always like to work with them on a long-term basis.
The production facility is equipped with automation at various stages. Consistency regulators installed in pulp mill helps to maintain better accuracy in GSM. The company has got outstanding rewinder, which is instrumental in jointless reels in 90% cases. Moreover, the company produces the reel with more weight up to 1 ton, which substantially reduces the time in changing reels when paper runs on dryers of laminate industries. Packing in regular grade is done in waterproof fabric. Super deluxe packing is done in waterproof shrinkage and edge guards to avoid any damages in transit.
Guru Krupa is producing eco-friendly recycled absorbent kraft. One is gold and second is B grade. Mill is producing full-time single product, that is absorbent kraft, and it is dedicated to the laminate industry only. For product approach of the mill is user friendly. They are making products as per customers requirement, and for any type of complaints or problems, mill is 24/7 ready. Because of excellent quality and positive approach of mill and dealers, mill has covered almost all Gujarat market in a very short time.
Here at Guru Krupa Crafts Private Limited, the inventory of raw material and stock is always maintained in huge quantum to ensure regular supply at any time. The company does also maintain machine spares at optimum level so as to ensure uninterrupted production at 100% capacity utilization.
फैक्ट्री 3 साल से चालू हुई है और हम 3 साल से जो फर्स्ट दिन से ही माल ले रहे हैं, और फर्स्ट दिन से जो माल आ रहा है वो फर्स्ट दिन से ही बढ़िया माल आ रहा है। और हमारी 3 फैक्ट्री है, उसका जो पैरामीटर है वो सब अलग अलग है, और जो अलग अलग पैरामीटर के हिसाब से ही माल आता है और उससे जो माल बनता है वो बहुत बढ़िया बनता है, और मार्केट में उससे हमारी माल की रेपुटेशन भी बहुत अच्छी है। और जब कोई दफा कंप्लेन भी आ जाती है और उनको फोन करते हैं तो तुरंत वो सॉल्व हो जाती है, और रूबरू आने का होता है तो रूबरू भी आ जाते हैं, और हमारी फुल प्रोडक्शन का 70% माल हम उनसे लेते हैं।
Guru Krupa Crafts Private Limited firmly believes in nurturing the nature's way and would like to always advocate for sustainable development. Adhering to the environmental concern, the company has installed Decanter, which has got sound impact on removing ETP sludge efficiently. It is a key requirement for achieving required parameters in absorbent craft paper. Most importantly, it is taken care at the site so as to maintain healthy environment for the workers who are treated like valuable assets at Guru Krupa Crafts Private Limited. There is also a good and clean facility for the accommodation of the staff and employees. Huge garden developed by the company, which is in the vicinity of the factory, does give an idyllic look and creates a pleasant environment.
गुरु कृपा क्राफ्ट पेपर मिल को 3 वर्ष पूरे हो रहे हैं अगले महीने में, और मैं इस मिल से जब से इसका प्रोडक्शन स्टार्ट हुआ तब से जुड़ा हूँ। इन्होंने पूरी मेहनत करके प्रोडक्ट को सेट किया और लेमिनेट मैन्युफैक्चरर की दुनिया में अपना नाम कमाया है। शॉर्ट पीरियड में इन्होंने बहुत बढ़िया प्रोडक्ट सेट करके पूरी मेहनत से अपना काम किया है। ये लोगों की एक खास बात यह है कि ये लोग अगर कोई कंप्लेंट आती है तो इमीडिएट अपने टेक्नीशियन को फैक्ट्री पे भेज देते हैं, और डायरेक्टर खुद भी कई फैक्ट्रियों में विजिट किया है, कंप्लेंट को जरा ही इग्नोर नहीं करते हैं। हम डीलर जितने भी हैं मेरे साथ में, सब इनसे बहुत खुश है। इनका नेचर बहुत बढ़िया है, मेहनती है, और हमारी हर बात को ये पूरी तवज्जो देते हैं। इनका एक्सपेंशन करने का भी पूरा विचार है।
As a result to flawless management by the visionary directors, the company has developed competencies in the absorbent craft paper manufacturing and thereby has grown by leaps and bounds. The company has been able to create a huge base of clientele through the strong network of prominent dealers like Guru Krupa Super Deluxe Quality Paper has got a significant spread through Messrs Deluxe Paper Associate in Ahmedabad. Guru Krupa's regular quality is spread by and large through Messrs Maruti Paper Chem, Ahmedabad and Messrs Ravi Raj Packers, Ahmedabad. Also considerable quantities are sold by Messrs Shiv Mangal Industries, Mumbai and Messrs Pramod Paper Products, New Delhi. Just within the span of 3 years, the company has strikingly captured more than 1/3 part of the market share in Gujarat. When the production was initiated in October 2011, the project was planned to produce 70 tons per day. Thereafter, looking at the overwhelming response from the clients, 3 expansions were undertaken just within 2 years and the production capacity got increased to 125 tons per day.
Good evening everyone. We are very thankful to LMSA and ILMA for organizing such a wonderful event and giving us an opportunity to share our views with you all. We heartily thank all our valued customers, that is laminate industry unit owners, our dealers, our suppliers, and yes, not to forget our employees as well for the kind of support they have given us in the last 3 years. If this kind of support continues in the future also, we will definitely be looking forward for expansion as well. Thank you.
Quality in paper and regularity in supply has become mantras for operation at Guru Krupa. Being symbolized by these mantras, Guru Krupa has successfully accelerated its journey and will keep doing so in the time to come. Guru Krupa Crafts Private Limited would like to thank all our dealers and laminate industries unit owner for trusting us to be your source for top quality product. Thank you for choosing Guru Krupa Crafts Private Limited. We look forward to sharing your success.